Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake, and this is Sarah.
We are so glad you are here with us again today.
Today, we have a very cozy and practical topic for you.
Yes, today we talk about your home in English.
Your home is the place where you live and feel safe.
People often ask about your home when they get to know you.
Where do you live? What does your home look like?
After this episode, you will answer these questions easily.
Simple words, short sentences, and lots of practice, as always.
Are you ready? Let us open the door and go inside.
First, let us learn about different types of homes.
An apartment is a home inside a big building with many floors.
Some people call it a flat. Apartment and flat mean the same thing.
A house is a building where one family usually lives.
A studio is a very small apartment with just one big room.
In a studio, your bedroom and living room are the same space.
A villa is a large house, usually with a garden around it.
You can say, I live in an apartment on the third floor.
Or, I live in a small house with a garden.
Or, I live in a studio near the city center.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I live in an apartment on the third floor.
I live in a small house with a garden.
I live in a studio near the city center.
Great job! Now you can describe your type of home.
Now let us learn the names of rooms in a home.
The living room is where you relax, watch TV, and sit with family.
Some people call it the lounge or the sitting room.
The bedroom is where you sleep at night in your bed.
The kitchen is where you cook food and prepare your meals.
The bathroom is where you take a shower and brush your teeth.
The dining room is where you sit at a table and eat your meals.
The hallway is the long, narrow space that connects the rooms together.
A balcony is a small open area outside your window or door.
You can say, my apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Or, my house has a big kitchen and a small living room.
Or, we have a nice balcony with a view of the park.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
My apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
My house has a big kitchen and a small living room.
We have a nice balcony with a view of the park.
Excellent. You can name all the rooms in your home now.
Now, let us learn to describe what your home looks like.
You can describe the size: big, small, medium, tiny, spacious.
Spacious means there is a lot of space inside. It feels open.
Tiny means very, very small, the opposite of spacious.
You can say, my apartment is small but very comfortable.
Or, my house is spacious. There is a lot of room for everyone.
You can also describe the feeling of your home.
Like, my home is cozy and warm. I love being there.
Cozy means small but comfortable and warm, a nice feeling.
Or, my home is bright because it has many large windows.
Or, my home is quiet because the street outside is very calm.
Or, my home is modern with new furniture and a clean design.
Let us practice describing your home. Repeat after me, please.
My apartment is small but very comfortable and cozy.
My home is bright because it has many large windows.
My home is quiet and modern. I really love it.
Wonderful! You can paint a picture of your home with words now.
Let us learn some important furniture words for your home.
Furniture means the big things inside your home, like tables and chairs.
In the living room, a sofa, a TV, a coffee table, and some shelves.
A sofa is the big, comfortable seat where 2 or 3 people sit.
In the bedroom, a bed, a wardrobe, a desk, and a bedside table.
A wardrobe is where you keep your clothes, a big, tall cupboard.
In the kitchen, a fridge, a stove, a sink, and some cupboards.
A fridge keeps your food cold. A stove is where you cook food.
A sink is where you wash dishes and your hands with water.
In the bathroom, a shower, a toilet, a mirror, and a towel rack.
You can say, I have a big, comfortable sofa in my living room.
Or, my bedroom has a small desk near the window for studying.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I have a big, comfortable sofa in my living room.
My bedroom has a small desk near the window.
My kitchen has a new fridge and a small stove.
Great! You know all the important furniture words now.
People also ask, where is your home? Where do you live?
You can describe the location of your home.
You can say, I live in the city center, very close to everything.
Or, I live in the suburbs. It is quiet and green there.
The suburbs are the areas outside the city center, more residential.
Or, I live in a small village in the countryside.
The countryside means rural areas far from the big city.
You can also say, I live near a park. It is very nice.
Or, I live close to my work. I can walk there in 10 minutes.
Or, I live far from the city. I need to take the bus every day.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I live in the city center, very close to everything.
I live in the suburbs. It is quiet and peaceful there.
I live near a park. I go for walks there every morning.
Now you can tell people exactly where your home is.
A great conversation question is, what do you like about your home?
You can share what makes your home special to you.
You can say, I love my kitchen. It is big and I enjoy cooking there.
Or, I love my balcony. I can see the mountains from there.
Or, I like that my home is quiet. I can relax after work.
Or, I love my neighborhood. The people here are very friendly.
Neighborhood means the area around your home where you live.
You can also say what you do not like.
Like, my apartment is a little too small for my family.
Or, I wish I had a garden. I want to grow some flowers.
I wish means you want something you do not have right now.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I love my kitchen. It is big and I enjoy cooking there.
I love my neighborhood. The people here are very friendly.
I wish I had a garden. I want to grow some flowers.
Perfect. Now you can share your feelings about your home.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Listen carefully.
Okay, we are two friends talking about our homes.
Hey, Jake. I heard you moved to a new place recently.
Yes, I did. I moved last month to a new apartment.
Oh, that's exciting. Tell me about it. What is it like?
It's a two-bedroom apartment on the 5th floor of a building.
That sounds nice. Is it big or small?
It's medium-sized, not too big, not too small, just right for me.
What is your favorite room in the new apartment?
Definitely the living room. It has big windows and lots of sunlight.
I love sunny rooms. Do you have a balcony there too?
Yes, a small balcony with a view of the city. It is beautiful at night.
Amazing! What about the neighborhood? Do you like it there?
I love it. There's a supermarket, a park, and a cafe nearby.
That is so convenient. Is it far from your work?
Not at all. I take the bus and it is only 20 minutes away.
You are very lucky, Jake. I am happy for you.
Thank you, Sarah. You should come and visit sometime.
I would love that. That was a great conversation, everyone.
Now pause the video and describe your own home out loud.
Let us also learn some phrases about housework quickly.
Housework means the jobs you do to keep your home clean and tidy.
You can say, I clean the house every Saturday morning.
Or, I vacuum the floors twice a week after work.
Vacuum means to use a machine to clean the floor from dust.
Or, I wash the dishes after every meal in the kitchen.
Or, I do the laundry on Sundays. I wash all our clothes then.
Or, I take out the rubbish every evening before bed.
Rubbish means trash or garbage, the things you throw away.
Let us practice housework phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I clean the house every Saturday morning.
I wash the dishes after every meal in the kitchen.
I do the laundry on Sundays. I wash all our clothes.
Now you can talk about housework in English easily.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Apartment, a home inside a building with many floors and units.
House, a building where usually one family lives together.
Studio, a very small apartment with one main room for everything.
Living room, the room where you relax and watch TV at home.
Kitchen, the room where you cook and prepare your food.
Bedroom, the room where you sleep at night in your bed.
Bathroom, the room with a shower, toilet, and sink.
Furniture, big items in your home like tables, chairs, and sofas.
Spacious, having a lot of room inside, big and open feeling.
Cozy, small but comfortable and warm, a nice homey feeling.
Neighborhood, the area around your home where you live.
These are all important home words for your English vocabulary.
Now, here's your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Describe your home in English from start to finish today.
First, say what type of home you live in, apartment or house.
Then, describe the rooms, how many bedrooms and bathrooms.
Then, describe what your home looks like, big, small, cozy, bright.
Then, say where it is located, city, suburbs, or countryside.
Then, say what you love about your home the most.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now out loud.
Pause the video and describe your home. You can do it.
Let us also talk about your dream home before we finish.
A dream home is the perfect home you wish you could live in.
People often ask, what is your dream home like?
You can say, my dream home is a big house near the beach.
Or, my dream home has a huge garden with many trees and flowers.
Or, I want a home with a big kitchen because I love cooking.
Or, my dream home is a quiet flat in the center of a beautiful city.
You can also describe how many rooms you want inside.
Like, I want 4 bedrooms so every child has their own room.
Or, I want a home office, a room just for working from home.
A home office is a room in your house where you do your work.
Let us practice dream home phrases. Repeat after me, please.
My dream home is a big house near the beach.
I want a home with a big kitchen because I love cooking.
I want a home office so I can work from home comfortably.
Beautiful. Everyone deserves their dream home someday.
Okay, everyone, it's time for our final review today.
Today, we learned how to talk about our home in English.
We learned different types of homes: apartment, house, studio, villa.
We learned the names of rooms and important furniture.
We learned how to describe our home, size, style, and feeling.
We learned how to say where our home is located.
We learned to share what we like and do not like about home.
We practiced a full conversation about a new apartment.
And we learned some useful housework phrases, too.
You did an amazing job today. We are so proud of you.
Your home is your special place. Now describe it in English.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment. Tell us about your home. We want to know.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing. Keep talking. Your English is wonderful.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Go home and practice. See you next time.
Bye. We believe in you. Keep going. See you soon.